All right, welcome to this episode of Ishake Adventures. Yes, that is what I think it is. All right. Anyways, I know what that is. I need to re-look up. That was awesome. There's one right up there as well. I need to look it up.
One's right above us.
I can't see. There it is. Wow. But very cool. Very, very cool. This is the second part of the adventure, Dundar. The first video is just going to be a wallaby informational video. But this one should be hopefully a lot cooler. It's a crappy day, but the sun does keep poking out. And now we actually have decent wildlife other than wallabies out, which are out all the time. So, yeah.
Oh, those are cool. What do you think they are?
I'll look it up and I'll get you the exact name. We'll put the name in the video, but yeah. Flies so effortlessly, just like with the wind. But I'll figure out what these are. We'll put them in the video, like the name of them, but let's go see what else we can find. All right, for all you plant freaks, we need your help. I believe this is sap because it's squishy and weird. But it looks, probably, but it looks so weird just coming out of this tree. So let us know in the comments, Aunt Caitlin, if you're watching, what is this? We got another wallaby. I know we saw a lot. Well, last videos was all about wallabies, but always cool to see. Always fun to show. But yeah, very cool. All right, you can't see it, unfortunately, but this spider web goes from that tree. You can see it sort of here. So we're following the line, following the line, following the line. It goes to this tree, and then we go all the way down here. There's a huge spider, right? It's still going, and then it goes all the way up to this tree. That's ridiculous. All right, spiders are so hard to get to show up on camera, but okay, I did not like that at all. Okay, where is he? There he is. Okay.
Yeah, that's another orb weaver.
Oh, and it had a baby. If it'll show up on camera. There it is.
This one?
I don't know. It might be a whole different spider, yeah. But
That thing is massive.
oh, it sucks that. Okay, oh, that's such a cool shot. All right. You can see the size of those fangs. It's ridiculous.
Yeah, here, I'm gonna give him a hand comparison again.
Okay, let me zoom out a bit. Yeah, never mind. I won't get the perfect shot. Okay, there it is. Yeah.
It's almost as big as my hand if it's stretched all the way out.
Very cool. Very cool indeed.
Terrifying.
Alright guys, I know we showed a lot of cows in the last video, but look at this big boy. This will be the only cow content, but look at me.
Do it again. Rest in peace, earphone users.
Yeah. I'm gonna take a risk for you guys. Hi, big boy. Hey, big boy. What you doing around these parts? Hey, dude. Alright, that's it for the cow content. Actually, let's see how close I can get. Famous last words. Okay, alright, alright. Bye, dude. What is that hump on his back? So weird. Bye-bye.
Alright guys, we are coming up on this very, very strange bird. You can just see its head sort of poking up. Its black body right there, kind of blending in with the trees, but it's like a herring of some sort. letting us check him out. We didn't think we were gonna be able to get this close to him. Oh, look at his little hairdo. Slick back. This dude knows he's cool. A herring of some sort. We will figure out the name and put it on screen for you guys here, but just riding down this road, seeing if we could find anything. Sunbathing because the sun is starting to come out, but we see this guy on the way back. Yeah. I don't know if it's a type of herring because, you know, there's not really a whole lot of bodies of water out, but I'm not a bird guy, so I don't know common behavior of herrings. But very, very cool indeed. Alright, we're going to keep riding down this road and see if we can find any scaly friends of ours.
All right, we have one chick there. There's the mom. Yeah, we're kind of screwed here. There's a baby chick. So cute. All right, we're not going to touch this guy or get any closer because personally, I mean, I know ducks don't have teeth, but you know what? It's worth it. We're going to sit here for a little bit. Hey. So cute.
Ow.
I am so sorry your mother just kind of abandoned you.
Yeah, I thought we were going to get attacked, but
Apparently not.
that's how it's falling.
You are so cute. All right, we'll leave you alone after I film a reel. Actually, no, we can do another 20 seconds of
Really?
Just kidding. Oh, it moved. That's what I wanted. It's in spider webs. It's so cute. Ugh. I need a duck. Comment down below if I should get a duck. Don't poke it, don't poke it, don't... Okay, good.
I'm not, I'm just getting a little closer.
I was about to say, that will get some hate if we poke this baby duck. Alright guys, I took a little detour to check out this waterfall because you're only in this area a couple times. It's quite a ways, but that's insane. Just the noise that's coming out, and it leads into a stream, but very, very cool. Alright guys, I know we didn't get a ton of crazy content today. We got the wallaby episode, which was nice, and I don't know if the other footage we got will come together in a video. This might just never be seen, and it will be combined with a nighttime adventure we're going to do tomorrow night, but hopefully it's enough for a video. Saw some pretty cool things, even though we didn't see any reptiles. I think we've just figured out that Peyton's the curse. This has been happening for years. Whenever I go out, I find reptiles and cool things, and then whenever I take them to the same exact spots, we never see anything, any sort of reptile. It's always a mammal of some sort. So, pretty convinced he's just a curse. Really trying to break that curse. We're gonna see at this nighttime adventure because it was actually recommended to me by some reptile people at Hartley's. And so it sounds like a pretty sure shot. And I also am just gonna continue to ask for spots. It also is said it's the summertime here in Australia. They said it gets better around winter. And so we're technically now in autumn actually. So winter is right around the corner, but geez, I can't get over this waterfall right there. Pretty cool. But yeah, we'll find some cool reptiles. Definitely got to find some snakes. I'm gonna get a snake hook as well. I don't know when, hopefully soon, because I want to start handling the snakes we find. And I mean, even though we haven't found any snakes, so it's more likely that I find a venomous snake than a non-venomous snake. So it's always good to be careful. But also, you may be wondering why Peyton isn't in this outro. I stopped by this I completely forgot to film an outro and stopped by this waterfall on the way back just to check it out, and he is exhausted. I don't know why, because we both woke up at 4 and I'm fine. But, you know, he's tired, he's sleeping in the car, and he got to unfortunately miss out on this amazing waterfall that I'm in front of. Wow, this is a long outro. I feel like I've just been talking. But hope you enjoyed the video. We are still working on it. Hopefully I get employed soon so we can start going further. I want to start camping. I've got to go out to the tablelands. I think that's what they're called, because they have wild green tree pythons there, and apparently they're just everywhere. But you know, it's 9 hours away. I don't know if you knew that, but it's 9 hours away from where I am. So bit of a drive, but yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. If you are from Queensland and you have good ideas of places to go for animals, let us know. But yeah, we'll keep these videos coming. I'm happy at where the channel's headed. Seems like a great start. And yeah, thanks again. Boy.